The following segment is sponsored by Utah Truffles.
I am here at Candy Co. in Linden where they manufacture Utah Truffles. I'm talking with Aubrey. Aubrey, I have to say, we've never looked better right now.
It's a good outfit.
It's a good outfit. Yes,
outfit.
well, and you know what? It's for a good reason because you're making food in here and everything is so clean. I was so impressed, so they wanted to make sure, of course, our crew and all of us are dressed up, covered. Tell me about Utah Truffles. I didn't know they were made here in Utah.
That's right, they are, and they have been for 30 years.
30 years.
1993 is when Utah Truffles began. So 30 years we've been running at this. Here at Candy Co., not the whole time, but for the last about 6 years, they've been made by Candy Co.
That's awesome. Now, people aren't familiar. Tell me what kind of products you guys have.
Candy Co. makes truffles, caramels, chocolates, and pecan clusters.
Yes, and specifically Utah Truffles. What flavors are those?
So the Utah Truffles are the dark sea salt, the milk mint, and the milk toffee.
Oh my goodness. You've seen the packages, the beautiful ones in the stores. Do you have a favorite, Aubrey? What's your go-to?
I like the dark sea salt.
The dark sea salt.
Yeah,
I think that's mine too. Yeah. What's the general population? What do people buy? What are they loving?
Most people in Utah love the milk mint.
The milk mint?
Yes.
Okay, in the green package.
That's right.
Yes, I've seen that many times. Okay, and it's so interesting. We've been walking through to see how these truffles are made. Tell me about the process. It's a big deal.
Yeah, it's a very simple piece, but we've made it very particular.
Yes.
So the center is just chocolate and the mint flavor, if it's that one, and some oil. And to form that, we melt the chocolate and we pour it onto a belt where it can cool into a slab. And then we send it through a slicer and a guillotine to form the right shapes, and then a chocolate waterfall. The chocolate waterfall covers the base of the piece and then enrobes the piece in chocolate. So you end up with something that you can hold and get into your mouth. And then we wrap them. Each one has its own little pillow pack and put them in bags.
The pillow pack. Oh, I love calling it that. Well, and I didn't know there was a specific way to eat the truffle. And you're going to kind of show us how they melt in our hands, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, let's talk about a piece.
Okay.
So this is a Utah truffle. You can see that it's, very precisely rectangular and every piece is the same size. That's because of our process.
Okay.
The outside is that chocolate waterfall. So it's a pretty solid
It's
shell.
already melted a little bit in your hand. Yes.
In the middle of this is that ooey gooey smooth center. So let me show you that.
Oh, there's the center. Okay.
Here's the center. So this piece is softer than the outside. When you bite through a Utah truffle, your teeth first go through that shell exterior, and then this very smooth piece, and you can see it's melting.
It already is melting on the top. Yes.
Yeah, the melt point is very low, so it's such a rich experience on your tongue. The instant it hits the inside of your mouth, it starts melting. So smooth, so smooth. But you can't handle it this way without the shell, right?
Yes.
So behind us, we can see these centers going down the belts. And we can't touch them until they go through the chocolate waterfall.
Yeah.
Because it's this melty.
Oh my goodness. Aubrey, okay, are you going to take a bite? Because I want to see it.
Yes.
Okay, you want to go for it?
Smooth
Yes.
and soft this is.
Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. It's amazing. If you could see it in person. Okay, where can we buy these right now? I'm going to have a little piece too. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Where can we buy these, Aubrey?
So Utah Truffles are available at most grocery stores here in Utah. Also your club retailers.
Okay, amazing.
So any big box club stores, you can go in and get the big size bag there.
Aubrey, thank you so much. This has been so fun. I'm going to finish this. Is that okay?
Of course.
So good.